All right, folks, guess what? It is now technically whoops, taking the pooch out. Yep. Even though the governor has the state on lockdown, there's just not too much evidence of that, at least by the traffic standards. So, one of the projects I'm going to do is get that going. That's our water catchment system. But the old Poochie was getting a little bit anxious, so I decided to take him out. But the thing I have to do... Oh, wait a minute. I forgot to say what day it is. So technically, this is day 8. Now, I didn't record anything on Saturday or Sunday or Monday. Yesterday, Monday, I finished the taxes. Woohoo! Or it's also a sad day too. But anyway, that's why I didn't post. I didn't want to bore you with all that kind of crying and gnashing of teeth. Oh, wailing and gnashing of teeth. Yeah, that's what it is. Somebody wants to run around. Hold on, Tovin. There you go. Oh, man. Girl, you are dirty. Oh, yeah. All right. So instead of listening to me talk, I'm just going to fill you in what we're doing today. Going to start my juicing diet because, yep, when you're bored, or when I'm bored or stressed, I eat. Yeah, that's right. I'm a very stressed out person. So I'm going back on the juicing diet. So that's the next thing I'm gonna do. What a nut. So anyway, so the next thing you're gonna see is me juicing, and I'll chat with you as I'm doing it. But just wanted to fill you in. Yep. All these people practicing social distancing. Yeah. Oh well. What you gonna do? Social distancing at its best. Do you think I'm cynical? You betcha. All right, it's time for Tovin's big boy treat. That's right, bully sticks. Now he's going to just love me. All right. I need 2 hands for this, so I'm gonna put this here. Cool. Oh, that's why it wasn't working. Where is the watch? All right, folks. Here comes Tovin's favorite, bull penis. Yeah, that's what bully sticks are, if you didn't know. Well, these little tripods work really well. Oh, look at how the boy is. This, whoa, 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 wait a minute. Whoa, there he is. There he is. He knows that's where he goes to get his bully stick. Yeah, look at the tail go. Look at the tail. Look at it. Okay. Yep. Anyway.
Hey guys, Melissa here for Stonehouse Homestead. We're taking small steps towards self-sufficiency. And right now I am taking care of the rest of a turkey breast that I cooked down. We had turkey breast in the freezer, and so I cooked that up. And we have had, let's see, we had roasted turkey for the first meal. Then we had homemade mashed potato bowls with the turkey and the potatoes and the gravy and the vegetables, just like they do at KFC. They're delicious. Plus biscuits even. And now I am preparing to make a turkey pot pie, and I will also be making some turkey noodle soup. So one turkey breast is giving us 1, 2, 3. Oh, we also had hot turkey sandwiches with gravy and mashed potatoes. So we're going to be getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 meals. 5 meals out of one turkey breast. So during this time of uncertainty, we are trying to be as frugal as possible, even more so than we normally are. And I'm trying to get every little bit that I can out of this turkey. So get creative, look up online, see what you have in your pantry, and look up online to see what other things you can repurpose. You can even repurpose your food and make things. Did you make rice for a meal? Make extra, save some aside in the fridge. Next night, make fried rice with some vegetables and some scrambled eggs, kinds of things like that. So I would just encourage you guys to just use what you can, as much of it as you can, so that it can give you a little more peace during this time, knowing that you can get plenty of meals and that your family's going to eat. Hope you guys are doing well where you are. We are hanging in there, doing okay, waiting to see what happens in this next week. And until next time, we ask that you like our video, give us a thumbs up, click the bell to get notifications, subscribe, and you can also find us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Till next time, guys. Bye.